Hey, if you wonder how you can download and install working GCAM on your POCO X6 Pro, in this video I'm going to show you how you can do this step by step. So as you can see here, I have all the functions and these applications are actually working properly on my phone. So what do you have to do? First, you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data and open the Google Play Store, and you will have to download this application, the GCAMator, from the Gran Turismo developer. And when you download it, you will have to simply open, and from here you will be welcome with this screen, and you will get actually information that the Camera 2 API model is disabled on your device. And when you go to get similar devices, you will don't have any results. So we have to go right here and search for POCO devices. And I can recommend you to get the version of the POCO F4 with Android 11 version. That's the highest version, 8.9. When you take a look, for example, for the X5 Pro, that's only the 8.5 version with the Android 10. So here we can actually find the highest version on the POCO F4, and you will have to click on this Start Download button. Now you'll get this pop-up ad that you will have to close. And after this downloading process, you can actually follow this downloading process just right here. When it will be finished, you will have to open this file in your file manager. So open your file manager, go into the storage. You can take a look for the recents, so you can find it actually in the resets, but you can also go for the storage and just search for this GCAM. So it will probably in the download. Yeah, here it is. You have to click on this icon of the GCAM, and now you'll have to grant access to install apps from the unknown sources. So when you enable it and when you click here and install, you will actually find the GCAM on your phone. So there it is. And now we can use it without any problem. It works really good. So yeah, that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.